Hello, this is Rob Lambert with Asset Protection Training. This video deals with protecting your personal residence. And I'm going to dig right into it. The trick is to go to this little yellow house. Traditional asset protection with the rules and the tools that I've already introduced to you does not apply. With your homes, there's very few things you can do, but they're all pretty effective. The first one is the homestead exemption. Every state, almost every state, has a homestead exemption. Some are unlimited. In Texas and in Florida and in Puerto Rico, you can buy a very expensive home, and none of that can be touched by your creditors. It's wonderful if you live in those states. Your home is safe if you've done it right, and you need to make sure you've done it right because there's always litigation on that issue. Talk with any local lawyer. This will be their bread and butter. Get your house homesteaded. In the rest of the world, the homestead exemption is somewhere between 60 and 120, sometimes a little bit more. Still inadequate. But you should always homestead your house nevertheless. You can always extract equity. You do that by borrowing against it. Don't do fake loans. Those backfire. They turn you into a crook and they cause the judge to immediately throw you out of court and decide against you. I've seen it happen. Don't get aggressive. Don't fall for anything phony. Don't put money in Switzerland and do the very common, let's do loans from a Swiss bank and we'll pretend that the judges are stupid. Don't do that. It will backfire. And in addition to extracting equity, you can sell your home. Don't become too attached to it. That's one of the fatal flaws of asset protection. We all become attached to our homes, though, so it's very difficult, and I realize that. Homes are vulnerable. Homes are protected to the extent of the homestead in every state. If you care to have a loan against it, which isn't always a good thing, you can keep that money absolutely protected using the technology that I have been explaining and continue to explain to you. Other than that, your home is available to creditors. And that's something that you need to watch out for and be prepared to sell your home if trouble really comes or extract equity. The next video we're going to is your pension. What can you do? What should you do, if anything, to protect your pension and your IRA? Enjoy the videos, and thank you for watching. Have a healthy and protected week.